प्राणापहारोद्यमे हेलानिर्मितधूम्रलोचनवधेः चण्डमुण्डार्दिनी निःशेषीकृतरक्तबीजदनुजे नित्ये निशुम्भापहे शुम्भध्वंसिनि नाशयाशु दुरितं दुर्गे नमस्तेऽम्बिके ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। Okay, Sairam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hari Om, Shalom, Sairam, Namaste. Wishing you all an outstanding, charm-full 2022. And Bhagavan's grace and blessing, may the entire universe be safe and be healthy and heal from whatever it needs to be healed. And in this present moment, we are looking at the incredible glory of the Divine Mother within us, who is working without any new year or old year, because time is a continuum. It doesn't start new and it doesn't end old. And in this continuum of time, and from time eternity, the love of the divine is operating without any break or vacation, and 100% dedicated in this context of love and service. As we contemplate this 8th chapter, and the 8th chapter is where we are looking at the Divine Mother's glory, now looking at how she has been surrounded by the beautiful Saptamatrikas, along with the Saptamatrikas being Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Narasimhi, Aindri. Along with all the 7 of them, she is also now surrounded by the mother who came out with a howl and fearful presence of 100 jackals howling, and that is the mother that has now invoked Shiva and said, may you be the messenger to take my message to these demons Shumbha and Nishumbha. That's where we paused last time, and we'll start from shloka number 25 today. And when we are present to this mother, the infinite compassion, Aruna, Karunatarangshidakshin, Dhrita Pashankusha, Pushpabana Chapam, Animadhibhihi Avrutam, Mayukai, Aham Ityeva, Vibhavaye, Bhavani. Bhavani is invoked in this, as we always mention, Bhavani, Bhavanagamya, Bhavaranya, Kutharika, Bhadrapriya, Bhadramurtir, Bhakta Saubhagyadayini, Bhakta Priya, Bhaktigamya.
Shekhaji, we can't hear you.
I think he got logged out. Just let's give him.
Maybe a bad internet connection or something.
I'm back. Am I back, Sairam?
Yes, Bhaiya,
Yes.
you're back.
Yes, uncle.
Can you see me? Yeah, okay. Yeah, there was a glitch. Sairam, thank you.
Uncle can't see you.
Bhavani. Yes. Are we good?
Yeah, we can
You
see.
need special eyes to see me, I guess, Bala.
Yeah.
Something happened. Okay. And so while we're studying this, let's start with the next slokam. Bruhi Shumbham Nishumbhancha hope this is a recording. Yes. Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhancha Danavavati Garvitau Ye Chanye Danavastatra Yuddhaya Samupasthitau. May I request maybe one of you to share the screen. My buddy Chandrasekhar always chosen to share the screen. Chandrasekhar, can you share the screen?
Yes, sure, sir.
That is unstable. Yeah. Able to. Yeah, somehow the internet is unstable. Yes.
Yeah, I'm pulling it from the Google Drive.
Yes.
One moment.
Okay. Bruhi Shumbham Nishumbhancha Danavavati Garvitau Ye Chanye Danavastatra Yuddhaya Samupasthitah. So the mother, this mother that came out with the howling of the 100 jackals, she said, go to those most arrogant Shumbha and Nishumbha and tell all the asuras that have come here to fight and say it as my word.
Bhaya's internet connection is not good. He's going in and out. We are at shloka number 25. Brother
Yes, I'm back.
Chandrasekhar. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Lalita is going to chant along with you, ma, please. Okay, and the request to all the other people is, please repeat so that you will also get to practice the shlokas. Don't just sit and listen and watch this as some. This is study. This is adhyayana. This is a class. This is not some Purana pravachanam, and that has to be very clear to all of you that there is no teacher here. There is no student here. The teacher is the taught. The teacher is the taught, never the one that is teaching. Because the learning is avanuchan avamasishyam. This is the interface between the listener and the spoken, and in that happens the learning. So there is no teacher, there is no student. This is a constant interface of presence. At least that's what I feel that is at least the way it has been when we did the Rudra Jnana Yajna or anything. So kindly be present, chant along with, so that you will also get to experience the beautiful sound of these mantras that are embedded with incredible presence of the divine. So with that, we'll start with Bruhi Shumbham. Bless.
Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau.
Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau. Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau.
Ye chanye danavastatra yuddhaya samupasthitah.
Ye chanye danavastatra yuddhaya samupasthitah. Ye chanye danavastatra yuddhaya samupasthitah.
Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau. Echanye Danavastatra Yuddhaya Samupasthitah.
Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau. Ye chanye danavastatra yuddhaya samupasthitah. Bruhi Shumbhan Nishubhan cha Danavavati Garvitau. Ye chanye danavastatra तत्र युद्धाय समुपस्थिताः.
Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Sairam, no compliments on this forum. Practice, yes. So what I would like you to do is to increase the scale a little bit, ma. It's a little bit too low. So Trailokyam Indro Labhatam. Not this scale, Kana. I was talking about the chanting scale. Thank you. Trailokyam Indro Labhatan Devah Santu Havir Bhujaha Yuyam Prayata Patalam Yedi Jivitamichadha. Trailokyam Indro Labhatam. Let Indra obtain all the three worlds back. Devaha Santu, all the Devas get their Havis again back. And whether you both go to Patala, the Netherlands, sorry, the Netherlands is a bad word, the Netherworlds, I should be careful. So, Yuyam Prayata Patalam Yadi Jivitamichya. It is about whether you come, whether you surrender all the three worlds to Indra and let the Devas have the Havis, or you go to the Patala if you would still like to be alive. This is the message that the mother is giving to Shumbha and Nishubha with Shiva as her ambassador. Who is giving this message?
Shiva.
Shiva.
Yes. Trailokyamindro labhatan devas santu havirbhujaha yuyam prayata patalam yedi jivitumicchatha. So chant at a higher scale, ma, please.
Okay, bhai. Trailokyamindro labhatan devas santu havirbhujaha.
Trailokyamindro labhatam devas santu havirbhujaha. Trailokyamindro labhatam devas santu havirbhujaha.
Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha.
Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha. Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha.
Trailokyamindro labhatam devas santu havirbhujaha. Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha.
Trailokyamindro labhatam devas santu havirbhujaha. Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha. Trailokyamindro labhatam devas santu havirbhujaha. Yuyam prayata patalam yadi jivitumicchatha.
Bhaiya?
Uncle, you're on mute.
Balavale pathached bhavanto yuddhakankshinaha tada gacchata trupyantu machchivah pisite navaha. But if through the pride of strength, balavale apathached bhavanto yuddhakankshinaha, you so desire to be present in the battle, or you would like to fight with me, then tada gacchata trupyantu, come over and start engaging in the battle so that all my jackals are appeased by your flesh Here Shiva means jackal or foxes. As we already mentioned, she was the one that has, in the previous shloka, 100 jackals where the word Shiva is used. So the message is surrender the three worlds to Indra. Let the devas have all the havis. She's putting condition. If you want to stay alive, you go to Patala. But if you desire to come and battle because, come and participate in the war because of the pride of your strength, come over, come forward. Let my jackals be satisfied with your flesh. Bala vale patached bhavanto yuddhakankshinah tada gacchata trupyantu machiva pisite navaha.
बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः
बलावलेपाथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः बलावलेपाथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः.
So Lalita, it is padatha ched. Balavalepadatha ched. You want to try that line once more?
Yeah, sure. बलावलेपाद चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः बलावलेपाद चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः.
Balavalepadatha ched. It's not balavalepada ched. It is datha ched. One more time. One more time.
Telugu version different undandi.
There is a yes, Sairam. And there is in Telugu version, there is an error. We will fix it. I'm gonna follow the Sanskritam or the English.
बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः.
तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः
तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः.
So pishite navaha sha pishite navaha. Okay.
पिशिते नवः.
Okay. बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः
बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः बलावलेपादथ चेद् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवाः पिशिते नवः.
यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवस्वयं शिवदूतीति लोके अस्मिंस्ततः सा ख्यातिमागता. Yato niyukto dautyena, because she has appointed Taya Devya Shivaswayam, that Devi who has appointed herself, Shiva, as the ambassador to the Dautyena, means the children of Diti. She is henceforth called as, or known in the world as, Sivaduti in the world. Sivaduti, Sivaradhya. Sivaduti, Sivaradhya. That is the meaning where she is getting the Sivaduti in Lalita Sahasranamam. Sivaduti, Sivaradhya. Yes, please.
यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं
यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं
शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागत
शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागता शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागता
यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागत
यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागता यतो नियुक्तो दौत्येन तया देव्या शिवः स्वयं शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साख्यातिमागता
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्याः शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षपूरिता जग्मुर् यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता. And those great asuras, hearing the words of Devi spoken by Shiva, they became extremely angry. Tepi shrutva vato devya sharva akhyatam mahasuraha. They became extremely angry. Amarsha purita jagmur yatra katyayani sthita, and went to the place where Devi Katyayani stood. Now, reference to the mother here as Katyayani. Why she is referred to as here as Katyayani is because in the previous Madhyama Charitram, when all the Devas gave their energies, the place where the mother came out as Shiva is in the ashram of the Rishi, and therefore she is called Katyayani. She is not born to the Rishi. She was at the place where he lived in the ashram. That's where the Sambhavam of Katyayani happened. Tejas Sambhavam Shiva. Where is that coming? Hello? People remember where that came? Which chapter? Where did we hear the words Tejas Sambhavam? Second chapter. Yes, and Umaji is always on the top. So that place is this ashram of the Rishi. So that is where she stayed, and the same place this is happening. That's the reference they are giving. Katyayanaya vidmahe Kanyakumari dhimahi tanno durgyah prachodayat. Tepi shrutva vacho devya sharvakhyatam mahasura amarsha purita jagmur yatra katyayani sthita.
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः
अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता
अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता अमर्षा पूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षा पूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता
तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या सर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षा पूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या सर्वाख्यातं महासुराः अमर्षा पूरिता जग्मुर्यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शर शक्ति वृष्टि वृष्टिभिः. Then in the beginning, in the very beginning itself, they started these Vavarshurudhata Amarshastam Devi Amararayaha. Amararayaha, all these enemies of the Devas. Vavarshurudhata Amarshastam, they started pouring on the mother like a shower of rain. They started launching in the very beginning itself. Shara, which is arrows, then Shakti is the javelins, and Vrishti spears, everything. Shakti is a spear, which the whales are the spears. And then they started showering all these javelins, the spears, the arrows, like at the mother. Tatah prathama mevagre shara shaktirushti vrishti bhihi. So that complex letter there is with ka, ta, ya and r. Shaktirushti vrishti bhihi. That is very complex word there. Vavarshurudhata marshastam devi mamararayaha.
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः
Very good.
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः.
So just for everyone else, it is शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः. शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः.
Shara, Shakti. Shara is arrows. Shakti is spears. Rishti is the javelins. That is what they are showering at her.
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः
ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवीममररयः
ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवीममरारयः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवीममरारयः
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्त्युष्टिवृष्टिभिः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवीममरारयः
ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवीममरारयः ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे शरशक्तिवृष्टिभिः ववर्षुरुद्धतामर्षास्तान् देवी ममरारयः.
Then Sa, the mother herself, Sa Chatan, Prehitan, Banan, Shula, Shakti, Parashvathan, Chicheda, Leelayadhmata, Dhanur Muktair Maheshubhihi. Then the mother sportingly, just like a Leela, and what she did, she actually, those arrows that are coming, Bana, Shula, all the the spears, then Shakti, the darts, the axes, Parash means axes, all those that are coming at her, Chicheda, she totally broke them very sportingly by releasing Dhanurmuktair Maha Ishubhihi. Maha means great, Ishu means arrows, by the great arrows that are released from her bow. Dhanurmuktair means released from her bow. What did she release? The great arrows. Chicheda Leelaya Admata. Mother very sportingly, just casually, not even paying attention, very casually, she was destroying everything that is coming at her. Bana, Shula, Shakti, Parashu, all those that are being launched at her. Sa Chatan, Prehitan, Banan, Chula, Shakti, Parashvathan, Chicheda, Leelayadhmata, Dhanur, Muktair Maheshubhihi.
Sa Chatan, Prahitan, Bana, Chula, Shakti, Parashvadhan.
साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्. साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्.
So just bringing, again, I keep saying this at our class, please excuse me, Ashwadhan. You see the line underneath it, right? So it has to be pronounced as Dhan. So that half sound should be there. I don't know if it cannot be made out on the Telugu script, but
No,
it's there in the Sanskrit.
It is there.
Huh? It is there.
Ashwadhan.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sachatan prahitan banan chula shakti parashwadhan.
साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्. साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्.
चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः.
चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः. चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः.
साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्. चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः.
साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्. चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः. साचतान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूलशक्तिपरश्वधान्. चिच्छेदलीलयाध्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः.
Tasya Agratah Tatha Kali. Then Tasya in front, Agratas Tatha Kali. Shulapata Vidaritan. Khatvanga Pothitam Charin Kurvati Vyacharattada. Then this Mahakali, the Kali, started walking in front of him. The him here is Shumbha. Here and there, she was just going in front of him and cutting into pieces all the asuras with her, and she started cutting with her trident and crushing them by the blows with her Khatvanga. Who remembers what is Khatvanga? What is Khatvanga?
That skull headed
Staff, yes.
Yes,
Skull-headed staff that the Kali carries. She started like what is the smacking them, like, you know, the kids play at the Chuck E. Cheese or whatever, smacking whenever the head raises, you smack. So she's just smacking them like that with her Khatvanga. Tasyagratas tatha Kali Shulapata Vidaritan Khatvanga Podhitams Charin Kurvati Vyacharat tada.
तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान्
तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान् तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान्
खड्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा
खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा.
So what to be careful about here is patitamsh. It is not tams, it is tamshcharin. Okay, let's do it one more time. Khadvangapothitaamshcharin kurvati vyacharattada.
खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा.
तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान् खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा.
तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान् खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा. तस्याग्रतस्तथा काली शूलपातविदारितान् खट्वाङ्गपोथितांश्चारीन् कुर्वती व्यचरत्तदा.
Kamandalu Jalakshepa Hataviryan Hataujasaha Brahmani Chakaro Chatrun Yena Enasmadhavati. Then Brahmani, wherever she went, she made the enemies there and everywhere completely valorless. Viryan Hataujasaha. What did she? Brahmani Chakaro Chatrun Yena Smadhavati. Wherever she is present, what did she do? She started sprinkling Kamandalu Jalakshepa. She took the water from her Kamandalu and started sprinkling on these enemies so that they have Hataviryan, Hataujasaha. Their ojas and their virya both got destroyed. Hata viryan, valorless they became, and they also became completely powerless. Ojas, hataujasaha. Now, with what we are seeing in the context of what each mother is going to do. It started with Kali and now Brahmani, what each of the mothers will be doing to annihilate the enemies within us. That is what you have to pay attention to. Brahmani is using Kamandalu Jala and started throwing. Now you're saying, what? Taking some water and throwing on people will make them powerless and make them valorless? How is that possible? Yes, that is what they did. The rishis and the great, when you see in these old movies, they did not use any weapons, nothing like that. What they did, they took water and then they'll throw it, sprinkle it on the other guy and gave them shapam, and the guy became completely inflicted with that papam. Now you can imagine what is the power of mantra jala with this. Mantra jalam that you offer has that kind of a power. And who is doing this? Brahmani. Why is Brahmani associated with this? Because who is Brahma? Brahma is about, he is the Chaturveda Brahma. He is the one who is from which the Vedas have emerged. All the mantras are present with Chaturveda Brahma. And therefore Brahmani has all the mantra jalam with her. And this mantra jalam is what she used. Kamandalu jalakshepa hata viryan hata ojasaha. Here translated as power is actually not actually the exact word related to power. It is not there. Ojas. There are three different types of manifestation of divinity within us. The ojas, the tejas, and the manas. The ojas, tejas, and manas. What is ojas? What is ojas? Ojas is the inner core from which the expression of the radiance happens, which is tejas. And that radiance, when expressed as the thought, became manas. Ghrani, Surya, Aditya. That is what is the mantra associated with this ojas. And if you actually look at this ojas, it comes, the word ojas, where did it come?
Durga Sukta.
Now you can keep guessing.
Ojas
Okay.
Tejo Dutidaraha.
Ojas Tejo Dutidaraha. Yes, Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yes, very good.
Ojaswati Pinvamana.
Ojaswati Pinvamana. That's Medha Suktam. Yes. Where else does it come?
Swami Arati.
Swami Arati. Yes. Swami's Arati. Swami is the one that is explicitly called as Ojasvi, Omkara Rupa, Ojasvi, O Sai Mahadeva. A lot of people don't even know that word. So they say Omkara Rupa, Ojai, Siva Sai Mahadeva. They sing like that. It is not Omkara Rupa, Ojasvi, O Sai Mahadeva. Every time, every word that you use against the divine, implicitly Bhagavan is the ojas within us. He is the core from which even the radiance is happening. External radiance is tejas, inner radiance is ojas. So what is she destroying with her mantra jalam? Not their power. Hello, English doesn't have words like this. Therefore, you have to use some same word, ojas, tejas, manas, translate them into English. You cannot. It is not, you cannot find the appropriate words. You have to use 2 or 3 words to describe that. Ojas means she totally destroyed the root of their presence. Using her Kamandalu Jalakshepa, Hata Viryan Hataujasaha, Brahmani Chakaro Chatrun, Brahmani Chakaro Chatrun, Yena Smathavati. Yes, ma'am.
कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः
कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः
ब्रह्माणि चाकरोञ्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति
ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति
कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति
कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति कमण्डलुजलाक्षेपहत वीर्यान् हतौजसः ब्रह्माणि चाकरोच्छत्रून् येन स्मधावति
Maheshwari Trishulena. Then Maheshwari with her Trishula, the trident. Tatha, then Chakrena Vaishnavi with her discus, the Vaishnavi. Daityan Jaghana Kaumari. Tatha Shaktyati Kopana. Then Maheshwari and Daityan Jaghana. This Maheshwari with her trident, Vaishnavi with her discus, Kaumari with her Shakti, and they started tearing apart Daityan Jaghana, Shakti Ati Kopana with their immense power. They started destroying. Here, the Shakti here is written as javelin, but that is not correct. Javelin, the Shakti is the spear, the veil. Okay, Maheshwari Trishulena Tatha Chakrena Vaishnavi Daityan Jaghana Kaumari Tatha Shaktyati Kopana.
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी
दैत्यां जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना
दैत्यान् जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना दैत्यान् जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी दैत्यां जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना
माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी दैत्यान् जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन तथा चक्रेण वैष्णवी दैत्यान् जघान कौमारी तथा शक्त्यातिकोपना
Aindri kulishapatena. Aindri then used the blows of her kulisha. Here is thunderbolt. Shatasho daitya danava. Hundreds of daityas and danavas. Daitya means born to Diti. Danava means born to Danu. Kashyapa Prajapati has three consorts. One is Diti, Danu, Aditi. Aditi's children are the Suras, the Asuras, right? The Suras, the Devas. And the Diti's sons are Daityas. Dhanu's sons are Danavas. All these two different clans. Aindri, Kulishapatena, Shatasho. Hundreds of these Diti's sons and Dhanu's sons. She started hitting, bringing them down with her thunderbolt. Petur Vidarita Pruthyam Rudhiraugha Pravarshinaha. Then when they fell, streams of blood flowing out of the corpse that have fallen down onto the earth. So by the blows of her weapons, Aindri Kulishapatena Shatasho Daityadanavah Petur Vidarita Prudhyam Rudhiraugha Pravarshinaha.
Aindri kulishapatena shatasho daityadanavaha.
Aindri kulishapatena shataso daityadanavaha. Aindri kulishapatena shataso daityadanavaha.
Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha.
Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha. Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha.
Aindri kulishapatena shatasho daityadanavaha. Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha.
Aindri kulishapatena shatasho daityadanavaha. Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha. Aindri kulishapatena shatasho daityadanavaha. Peturvidaritah prithvyam rudhiraugha pravarshinaha.
Tunda Prahara Vidhvasta. Tunda means the muzzle. And using that muzzle, Damshtragrachata Vakshasaha, using the teeth and tearing apart the chest, Varaha Murtya, Mother Varahi, Nyapatam Chakrena cha Vidaritah. She then used her discus also and brought down the Asuras. Tunda Prahara Vidhvasta, Damshtragrachata Vakshasaha, Varahamurtya Nyapatam Chakrena cha Vidaritaha.
Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha.
Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha. Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha.
Varahamurtya nyapatamshchakrena cha vidaritaha.
Varahamurtyanyapatamschakrena cha vidaritaha. Varahamurtyanyapatamschakrena cha vidaritaha.
So again, this famous spot, Nyapatam, when it joins chakrena, so the individually you say nyapatams, but when you join it, it becomes nyapatamsh chakrena, sham nyapatamsh. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Varahamurtya nepatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha.
Varahamurtyanyapatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha. Varahamurtyanyapatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha.
Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha. Varahamurtya nyapatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha.
Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha. Varahamurtyanyapatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha. Tunda prahara vidhvasta damshtra grakshata vakshasaha. Varahamurtyanyapatamsh chakrena cha vidaritaha.
Now there is the next two shlokas. We'll complete all the mothers, and there is this question that is posted, which is a very important question. If Brahmani can just take the water and make them powerless, why are all these other women resorting to such kind of violence, using all their weapons? Let's focus on that after the class is over, and we will go into the inner significance, because not many people are interested in inner significance. They're just interested in learning the shlokas and repeating them. That's okay. That's the path they have to be on until the Divine Mother decides to impart the spiritual wisdom that transforms our inner selves. And that is the focus of the Veda study. Nakhair vidaritam chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara. The lion goddess, which is Narasimhi, tore the great asuras with her claws. Nakha means the claws. Nakhair vidaritas chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran. She started consuming them, tearing them apart, consuming them and devouring them, and roamed in the battlefield, filling Narasimhi chachara jau, roaring in the four quarters. Nadapurna dik ambara. The entire space is filled with her roaring lion sound. Nakhair vidaritans chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran narasimhi chacharayau nadapurna digambara.
Nakhair vidaritamshchanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran.
Nakhair vidaritamsh chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran. Nakhair vidaritamsh chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran.
Narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara.
Narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara. Narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara.
Nakhair vidaritamshchanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran. Narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara.
Nakhair vidaritamsh chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran. Narasimhi chacharajau nadapurna digambara. Nakhair vidaritamsh chanyan bhakshayanti mahasuran. नारसिंही च चाराजौ नादा पूर्णदिगम्बरा
Chandattaha surairasura Shivadutyavidhushita. Then the violent laughter of Shivaduti. And what does that violent laughter sound like? That of hundreds of jackals. Hundreds of jackals. That's the violent laughter. Just by that laughter of Shivaduti, Chandattaha Saira Surah Petuhu Pruthivyam Patitam Stam Chakhada Dhasatada. Just by her laughter, the asuras fell down dead. Petuhu Pruthivyam Patitam Stam Chakhada Satada. Just by her incredible laughter, she made them fall down and on the ground, and they have fallen dead on the ground. Chandattaha Surai. One more slokam and then we will complete the violence of the mothers today. So we are actually starting the new year with the mothers annihilating all the vices. So the new year resolution begins here. Oh mother, you have cleared all these things within us, and now we start our life really fresh. That is the message that Bhagavan is giving on New Year's Day. Chandattaha surai, chandattaha sai asurah shivaduti abhidushitah petuhu pridhivyam patitam stam chakhadatha sa tada. As you pay attention to da, tha, ta, da. Tatha, dadha are coming one after another. Very important in pronunciation. Patitam, stam, chakha, datha, sa, tada.
Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah.
Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah. Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah.
Petuh prithivyam patitam stam shakadatha satadam. Let me repeat it. I think I made a mistake. 1 second. Petuh prithivyam patitam stam shakadatha satada.
Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada. Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada.
Again, this complicated line, patitams, and then tamscha. So now here it is tams, and then it becomes tamsh. So that's the difference. Petuh prithivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada.
Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada. Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada.
Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah. Petuh prithivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satadam.
Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah. Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada. Chandattaha sairasura shivadutyabhidushitah. Petuh pruthivyam patitam stamscha khadatha satada.
Very good. Iti matruganam क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्निर्नेषुः देवारि सैनिकाः. This band of mothers crushed the great asuras by all these various means. And now the troops of the enemies, seeing this enraged band of the mothers, društva abhyupayer vividhair nirneshu hu devari sainikah. Deva means gods, Ari means enemies, Sainikas, the soldiers of the Asuras, started running everywhere, seeing the enraged band of the mothers. Iti matruganam krdham mardayantam mahasuran društvabhyupayair vividhair nirneshur devari sainikah. Last shlokam, and then thank you for staying extra few minutes, and then we will go into the significance of this very briefly.
Iti matruganam. Okay. Iti matruganam kruddham mardayantam mahasuran.
Iti matruganam kruddham mardayantam mahasuran. Iti matruganam kruddham mardayantam mahasuran.
Drishtvaabhyupayairvividhair one second. Drishtvaabhyupayairvividhair neshur devari sainika.
Drishtvaabhyupayairvividhair neshur devari sainika. दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर् देवारि सैनिकाः.
इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारि सैनिकाः.
इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारि सैनिकाः. इति मातृगणं क्रुद्धं मर्दयन्तं महासुरान् दृष्ट्वाभ्युपायैर्विविधैर्नेषुर्देवारि सैनिकाः.
Excellent. Thanks to all the three of you, Chandrasekhar, Lalita, and Sandhya, for helping today with the chanting. You can unshare the screen, Sairama. Now let us look at this beautiful chapter where we are looking at. The question that was asked is, if she can simply sprinkle water and make them powerless, why do all this violence? That is the most important question. Yes. Now, what is the inner aspect about this is that, remember, who are all these different asuras that these Matruganas are dealing with? Anybody remembers? Except Chandrasekhar and Umaji. They're ready with answers all the time. Anybody else remember?
The ego associated.
The chumma ego, everything is ego associated only. Focus on what we are studying, pinpointed, get to the point. They are Vudayudhas, Kambus,
Kotiviryas,
uh,
Daumra, Kalka,
Dhaumras, Kalakas, Daurhridas, Maurvas, Kalakeyas. Who are all these guys? Who are all these guys within us? They
The
are.
ashamed, fearful, intimidated,
Yes.
doubtful, dhumra, disgusted,
Uh,
the
Right.
pride.
One person speak, please. When the other person is speaking, kindly don't. Yes. Okay. You're getting to the point. Now, the question that was asked, you think fear can be removed? You go to the other person. Oh, please don't fear. Be happy. And you will address their fear. You can go to somebody and clear their doubt with sprinkling water on them. What do you so each one of them requires a particular way to annihilate that. Not one method will not work. Samadana, Bheda, Danda, all the different types. Some you have to negotiate, some you have to face, some you have to totally destroy fear with so much, Swami Vivekananda feared to go in front of Kali. He could not even take this dreadful form of Kali. He was afraid to go in front of Kali. And therefore, Ramakrishna has to make him go in front of him. And only by facing the dreadful form of the mother, his fear got annihilated. So when we actually are applying these techniques, lot of people go through this psychological counseling, this and that to deal with their mental problems. The real cure of a bhishak is by giving the appropriate medicine for the disease. If you get a cancer, you cannot say, let me apply some ointment on it. If you get cancer, what you have to do? You have to go in and cut through the place where the aberration is there. You have to use all kinds of radiation, laser therapy, this and that. You think one type of therapy will work for all the diseases? It won't. So therefore, contempt.
Different types of cancer have different type of treatments that is best suited.
Yes, Kana, Sairam. Stay back. Let's come back to the focus of the. I didn't ask a question. Okay. You ask a question, you answer, Sairam. So otherwise, what happens is everybody will be giving opinions. Here is not the. We are not looking at opinions, Sairam. We are actually facing these ourselves, looking at these ourselves, and when an appropriate aberration occurs, you have to be present to that. And when you are present to fear, fear will disappear. Face the fear. Don't run away from fear. What we do when we are fearing, we go do something else. Are you with me? Yes. Are you with me? When you're afraid to deal with something, what you do? You run away from it. You escape from it. You go do something else as if this will disappear if you have left it. It won't disappear. Your problem at home will not go away if you go to a party and come back. It will only increase. Therefore, Bhagavan says, follow the master, face the devil, fight to the end, finish the game. Unlike these grosser demonic traits like anger and greed, spiritual aspirants, when you go deeper into spiritual sphere, you will begin to recognize very easily as your sadhana increases, as your mantra japam and your presence increases. What happens? You will be immediately able to recognize, oh my God, my doubt has popped in. Oh my God, I'm getting disgusted. Oh my God, I'm identifying myself with my family, my caste, my group. I am Tamil, I am Telugu, I am this, I am that. And I am Brahmin, I am Kshatriya, I am Vaishya, I am Kamma, I am Reddy, I am Kapu, I am this and that. All these things are constantly popping up. And then when those things come in, and the most important and the subtlest is even this pride of spiritual progress, that I am holier than thou. And hence I said in the very beginning, there is really no teacher. The teacher is the taught. The more you listen to yourself and you are present to yourself, you will now know what tool to use to cut that aberration. And that is what the Matrikas are doing. Some you have to cut through, some you have to put off, some just by sprinkling water, some you have to tear apart, some you have to howl, some you have to roar. Narasimhi is about fearlessness. A very beautiful story I will tell, and then we'll conclude with this, because we have to think of Bhagwan in this moment. And when this, once upon a time, this I saw on a Radio Sai interview by one of Swami's students, where he was sharing this incredible incident with Bhagwan, where they were putting up this drama of Ramakrishna, Paramahamsa and Vivekananda. And Swami comes for one of the rehearsals, and he looks at the drama, and then suddenly he looks at the director and calls, "Hey, who is there in Dakshineshwar temple? Why did you put Kali there? Krishna was there in Dakshineshwar temple." And then the director was like astonished. He said, "What, Swami, in the Dakshineshwar temple, Swami? Vivekananda, no, there was no Kali, there was Krishna. Put Krishna statue." So if Swami says Krishna, it has to be Krishna. Hello. So the next day, they removed the Kali statue and they put Krishna statue. And then the final rehearsal was happening. And Swami comes for the final rehearsal. This was 2-3 months before the drama has to be launched, staged. So Bhagwan comes for the final rehearsal. And then he looks at it. "Hey, why did you put Krishna statue in Dakshineshwar temple? It's Kali who is in Dakshineshwar." "Oh, Swami, but no, what? But remove Krishna statue, put Kali." And then they put Kali. And then the drama rehearsal was over. And the drama was, of course, very beautiful. Vivekananda acted so incredibly. Bhagwan materialized, appreciated his action with giving him some necklace or ring or whatever. And then a few days later, the guy who acted as Vivekananda shares this. He said he was really afraid of seeing this dreadful form of Kali, and no dialogue was even coming out of his mouth. But his favorite god was Krishna. So Bhagavan changed the Kali to Krishna so that this gentleman could at least say his dialogues without being afraid. And once he got familiarized with his dialogues and action, everything switched Krishna back to Kali. That is the love of God. And this guy who acted as Vivekananda with tears tells how much love God has, even to say that it is not Kali but Krishna, just for taking care of the fear within the heart of the devotee for that form. And once he came over naturally because of his love for Krishna, he was telling every dialogue so eloquently. Bhagavan put back the Kali. The reason why I am sharing this is, when you are afraid to face that fear, in that moment, invoke the presence of love of God, and He will take care even of that aberration within us. With that, remembering that beautiful episode of Bhagavan for Swami Vivekananda's play and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, may Bhagavan's presence of love be with us. Kshanam, kshanam, prati kshanam. Make it anew, filled with Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. And in the presence of the truth, the auspiciousness or the consciousness and the beauty, that we shall be ever having a new moment in life, and therefore annihilating every aberration that comes in between us and the presence to this Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. And this is a beautiful song that Swami Tejomayananda of Chinmaya Mission, I saw that yesterday, very beautiful. Kshanam pratikshanam yan navam navam taccha sundaram satcha sat 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 shiva sundaram. And therefore may our life be filled with that. Jai Sai Ram. Yadaksharapada bhrashtam matrahinam tu yad bhavet tatsarvan shamyataan deva narayana namostute visargabindu matrani padapadaksharaणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराध सहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्य भावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओम् तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
जय साई राम।
जय साई राम।
साई राम। साई राम।